Hi, welcome back again to this channel. This is gonna be a very quick video, and this video is about signs of a bad car radiator. This radiator here came from a Chevy Express cargo van, and as you can see, just looking at it from a distance, you can see how damaged the fins, the radiator fins, the fins, which are these aluminum things here on the radiator. They are called fins, radiator fins. You can see um, they are normally supposed to all be looking like this, but you can see how this radiator is like 4 years old. It's not the best quality radiator. It's plastic. You can see it's plastic by the sides. This um, it's a good radiator, but it's not the best quality. So a good quality radiator should last you at least 7 or 8 years. So this radiator was leaking, and we couldn't find where it was leaking from, but it was leaking. Um, I came to find out uh, after thinking it was the thermostat, because the car was overheating. So at first we thought it was the thermostat, and after changing the thermostat, the problem was still there. So finally we found out it was the radiator. Um, and you can see, like down here, see down there where it's black, it had already started leaking from there. But it's so hard to tell because when it started leaking from the fins, the coolant doesn't fall to the ground, so you can't see it. You only notice the vehicle is losing coolant, but you can't tell where it's leaking from. So it was basically leaking from there. Then you also found out that this radiator had lost. There is a plug down here where you usually use is used for flashing your coolant. If you want to flash your coolant, there's this plug down here. Usually comes with a knob that you can twist like that, but this one was